Hello guys, in this video, welcome back to my channel. This is FRZ Automobile Enterprises. Right, in this video we are going to install tracker on this Tacoma pickup. This is a tracker. As you can see, here is the GSM GPR GPS tracker. As you can see from the surface, here is the connector wire, and here is the main tracker receiver. GPS tracker. Now I'm going to show you step by step on how to connect this on your vehicle. Simple way. It's very easy and simple. Guys, let me walk you through how to do it. Now, as you can see from the surface, this is the cut, this is a fuel cutter relay, and this is the connector. Now all you need to do is that these two wires must be bleached together. This will go to the ignition on. Now guys, this is the ignition on, both the white, while this is the ignition side from the key. You have to cut it into two and join it to on and the other side. Why this will go for the arc. This is the arc. As you can see, here is the lock, here is the arc, here is the on, there is the start. This is the ground, this is the earth, while this is the current. This is the mic.